Okay, when you're just starting out doing u substitutions, sometimes it can be hard to know what to make my u value. All right, so when I look at this function here, here's my best advice. When you do these, you look for a part of the function that is the derivative of another part. Okay, now if I take natural log of x, let me switch that to pink. If I take natural log of x, right, and I differentiate that, I get 1 over x, and that's in the problem. Whereas if I were to take my u to be 1 over x, and I differentiate that, it would be negative 1 over x squared, and that's not in the problem. So let's have a look at this below. We're finding the integral of 1 over x times the natural log of x dx. Now, if you were to, now I'm going to actually separate this when I write it. This is the same thing as saying it's the integral of 1 over the natural log of x times 1 over x dx. Now, if you were to choose 1 over x as your u, here's what would happen. You would have u is equal to 1 over x, and then du would be equal to negative 1 over x squared dx. And there is no 1 over x squared anywhere in the problem, and I don't see an obvious way I can make that happen. So let's try the other one. Let's try to let u be equal to the natural log of x. So if u is equal to the natural log of x, that means du would be 1 over x dx. And that is here. So now what I can do is my substitution. It's going to be the integral of 1 over u times du. And the integral of 1 over u is the natural log. So this becomes the natural log of u plus a constant. And then when I replace u with what it actually is, right, the natural log, this simply becomes the natural log of the natural log of x plus a constant. And there it is. Done.